everybody. This is a quick little video demonstrating how to see if a Mac application is scriptable with AppleScript. Alright, so with any app that you have, you can simply open the AppleScript editor, like so. And yes, this little trick here is a text expander snippet. So I'm going to say open the AppleScript editor, hit new document, and then I'm going to go to file, and I'm going to say open dictionary. And it's going to give me a list of all of the dictionaries, meaning all the apps that are scriptable with AppleScript, meaning that you can make them do automations just by writing AppleScript for them, and each have their own dictionary. Let's take a look at one that I haven't seen before, but I bet you it has a lot, which is Bunch Beta app, which is the beta for Bunch, the Brett Terpstra application, which is awesome. I'll link the video in the description below. And here's the Bunch suite of AppleScript that can be used to write an AppleScript for it. So you can say, like have verbs and nouns, and using the toggle bunch with text with the bunch name. These are all commands that can go into an AppleScript. And that's how you can check if an application is scriptable via AppleScript. Now I want to clarify something right here in the dictionary. Again, open dictionary. If the application you're trying to script is not in this list, it means that the developers did not make it scriptable in any way. That's that. And as you can see here, a lot of my apps are scriptable. Some I don't even know how they are apps because I don't have the corresponding app, like YouTube app. I don't have a YouTube app. Or a Wish app. Wish I could try to find where that is. Everything else though I have, and it's pretty neat to see what application is scriptable. My issue whenever I see a video that talks about AppleScript, they just start talking by, hey, write this or write that. But they don't look in the first place to see if the application that they're working with is actually scriptable. So, and what this means is that you can, it has commands that can be scripted in AppleScript if it's on this list. If it does not, then you can put it in a script, but it would only be Apple-based commands like activate a particular application. So tell Google Chrome to activate, for example. And is Google Chrome even on here. This might be a good example. Oh yeah, it is. Chrome is scriptable. Anyway, guys, that is what I have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and comment on what you want to see in these automation videos. I'm running out of ideas, so I'll be really grateful if you guys suggest some automations that you'd like me to try in the comments below. And put the hashtag Mac Automation. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.